Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn something very important for all solar system: how to connect batteries in series and parallel. If you are designing a solar system, knowing this is must because this is how we get the voltage and capacity we need for our system. I'll make it very easy and give you practical example. So let's start. Series connection. Series connection is all about increasing the voltage. For example, if we have 12-volt battery and we connect another 12-volt battery in series, that means we connect the positive of the first battery to the negative of the second battery. Then the voltage adds up. So 12-volt plus 12-volt becomes 24-volt. But the capacity in ampere hour stays the same. So if each battery is about 200 ampere hour, the total is still 200 ampere hour. Always remember, series connection, voltage adds, capacity stays the same. Parallel connection. Now let's see parallel connection. Parallel is all about increasing the capacity, not the voltage. In parallel we connect positive to positive and negative to negative, so the voltage stays the same. If each battery is 12 volts, the bank is still 12 volt. But the capacity adds up, so two 12-volt 200 ampere batteries in parallel will give us 12 volts and 400 ampere hour. The rule is simple: parallel voltage same, capacity adds. Now let's make 24-volt 400 ampere battery bank. This is very common in solar system. We have batteries 12-volt 200 ampere hour, and we need 24-volt 400 ampere hour. Step 1. Make 24 volt. Connect two batteries in series. 12 volt plus 12 volt is equal to 24 volt. Capacity 200 ampere hour. Now we have 24 volt 200 ampere hour. Step 2. Increasing capacity to 400 ampere hour. Make another same 24 volt 200 ampere hour series set. Now connect both sets in parallel. Capacity 200 plus 200 is equal to 400. Voltage remains same, 24 volt. So final battery bank is 24 volt 400 ampere hour, which is exactly what we wanted. In total we used 4 batteries, 2 in series, then 2 series sets in parallel. Always remember a few important things when connecting batteries. Use batteries with the same voltage. Use batteries with the same ampere hour rating. Don't mix different types like gel and lithium. Use the correct cable size and tighten terminals properly. Never mix old and new batteries because it can damage your battery bank. So if you have 24 volt inverter and you want longer backup, you increase the AH by connecting batteries in parallel. And if you need higher voltage, you connect them in series. Once you know these rules, designing any battery bank for a solar system becomes very easy. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.